Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to abandon missions in ICARUS. This is especially useful if you have any difficulties completing the mission or if you just want to abandon it. First of all, to check if you have any missions active, press the numpad key 7. This is going to show you on the left side any missions that you have active. Nextly, you want to go to the contact device, and press the F to interact. Here, you're just gonna click abandon and click abandon again. This is going to say mission failed, but it doesn't matter. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you soon.